Let's start file using in C programming. Every C program has four kind of files associated with it: source file, header file, object file, and executable file. Source file. Source code file the contains source code of the program. The file extension C source code file is .c. The file contains C source code define the main function and may other functions. Main is the starting point, the execution when successfully compile and run the program. Okay, that is the source code. Suppose you write the any information, you write the set of instructions, you write the programming language is the nothing but the source code. Main function, you write curly bracket open, set of statements, you write the programming. After completed to the program compilation and run, that is the nothing but the source code. Header files, the standard files including the string.h, string handling functions, stdlib, and from the miscellaneous of the functions, stereo.h, standard input output functions, math functions, alloc functions. This is all functions. Library functions, conio.h, clear the screen. Object files. Object file are generated by the compiler, result processing the source code file. After compile, the program is nothing but the object file. The contain compact binary code of the function defined. Linker use the object file, produce the executable code .exe file. Combine the object file together. The object .o extension means .o, object extension means .o. Programming file c.c, this is the extension .o. Although some operating system including the Windows MS-DOS have .obj extension from the object file. Next one, binary executable file. The binary executable file is generated by the linker. The linker links the various object files to produce a binary file that can be directly executed on the Windows operating system. The executable file have .exe extension. Okay, that is the binary executable file. Okay, next one, compilation and execution the program. The compilation and execution process is the C divided to the multiple steps. Pre-processing. The using pre-processing program converted to the C source code into expanding source code slash including and slash define. This is the header files. Statements will be processed and replace the actually source code in the steps. Okay, suppose you write the any information correctly executed in the pre-processing statements is the nothing but the header files. Okay, compilation. Using compiler program converted to the extension source code to assembler code. Assembly, using the assembly program to convert assembly source code to object code. Linker, the using the linker program convert the object code to executable code. Okay, the multiple units of the object code linked together in the steps. Loading, using loader program load the executable code, the information transferred to the CPU for the execution. Here the simple table show the input and output each steps the compilation and execution. Here simple table showing the output and each step of the compilation and execution. Input and program and output, source code and preprocessor and execution the source code. Okay, this is the small table you are understanding. Okay, next one, using the comments. The purpose, the comments is the first you write the any information to the top of the program is nothing but the comment section. The purpose of the program code not a clear read, therefore this is the good programming practice. Place some comments. Suppose the printf statement, the right side double slash you write the information is nothing but the comment section. Okay, that is the printf statement. You are understanding, you write the information is nothing but the comment section. The code help the read understanding the code clearly. Comments are just a way explain that what the programming does. The compiler ignore the comments when they form object files. This means that is the comment non-executable statements. Non-executable statement. Suppose double slash You write the any information is nothing but the comment. Second, this is the divided to the two types. Slash asterisk is used to the comment multiple lines. Double slash you are write the single statement. Slash asterisk you are write the any information to the two or more lines is the information. Okay. Okay, this is the small program. Ash includes std.h main function curly bracket open. Old welcome to world of C. Double slash this statement is printf message. Return 0. This is the return a value to operating system. The output is okay. That is the total information. Next one, keywords and identifiers. Every C has the classified either keyword or identifier. You write the any information into the programming language, you are used any statement, any word is nothing but keyword or identifier. All keywords has fixed meaning. Every program, you write the any information, any statement, any word, okay, that is the fixed meaning. This meaning is that cannot be changed. Okay, you are not changed to that meaning. Keyword serves basic building blocks of the programming statement. All keywords must be written lower cases. You write the any information, you write the any statement, you write the all statements only written in the lower cases. The list of keywords in the C below. This is the all words is the nothing but the keywords. Auto break, case, char, constant, continue, void, default, double, else, enum, extend, float, for, go to, integer. Integer values is the representation using the int, long, register, written. Okay, all keywords, 32 keywords are there. Okay, identifier refer the name of variables, functions and arrays. This used to the defined name and consist of sequence of letters and add digits with letters as the first character. Both uppercase and lowercase letters are permitted, although lowercase letter commonly used. This is the uppercase and lower cases both are permitted, but you are write the only lower cases. Okay. Next one, the underscore character also permitted in the identifier. It also used to the link between the two words. Okay. Rules of identifier. First character must be alphabets or underscore. Must consist of only letters, digits or underscore. Only first 31 characters are significant. Cannot use it to the keywords. Identifiers is not a keywords. Must not contain the white spaces. Okay, that is the total information about the identifier. Next, basic data types in C. Data types. The data type define the set of values, and operation can be performed with every data type, constant and variables, etc. In C program has a data type associated with it. C supported several different types of data, each of which may be represented differently within the computer memory. All C compilers supported 5 fundamental data types, namely. Okay, first one, integer value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are using C programming language, that related you are using data type is int. Character ABCD, that is the character you are using the programming languages, the related you are using data type is the char. Float values 1.2, 1.3. Pointing values is nothing but the float values, you are using float. Double, you are using double. Wide, you are void means you are not using any values, is nothing but the void. Okay, data types is the divided to the 3 types: primitive data types and derived data types and user defined data types. Primitive data types char, int, float, double and void. Derived data types is the divided to the 3 types: array, pointers and functions. User defined data types enum, structure and union. Okay, the first one is the data types char. Character data types you are using keyword is the char. The size is 1, range -128 to +127. Integer values you are using keyword is int. The size is 2. The range -32,768 to 32,767. Float values, float, the size representation is the 4, range is the updated. Double, you are using keyword is the double. The size is 8. Okay, value less void, the size is 0. Okay, integer type. Integer are whole numbers within the range of values supported to the particular machine. Suppose the integer means integer values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is the whole numbers. Generally integer occupy only one word of storage. The integer values here enter occupy the one word of storage, and since the word size mission vary, the size is the integer can be stored depend on the computer. The totally the size is the depend upon the computer. We use 16 bit of word length. 16 bit. The size is the integer values limited range minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. The signed integer used 1 bit sign and 15 bits of magnitude of the numbers. Short int and long integer. C has three classes of integer storages, namely short int, long int, and both signed or unsigned form. The short integer requires the 2 bytes. The integer occupies the memory is the 2 bytes, and the long integer requires the 4 bytes. Short integer formation, short string %d %i. Long integer formatting string is the %ld. Character type. The single character can be defined as the character type. The character usually stored in 8 bits. That is the 1 byte. Internal storage, the qualifier signed or unsigned may be explicitly applied to character, while unsigned character have the value 0 to 255. Signed character have minus 128 to 127. Both are same, but you have unsigned values only positive values. The signed values is negative or positive values. 0 to 255 or 128 to minus 128 to plus 27. Both are same, but signed characters is the negative and positive values. Unsigned characters is only positive values. Next one, floating point. Floating point numbers is the stored 32 bits within the 6 digits of the precision. Floating point number are defined in C by the keyword float. When the accuracy provided by a float number is not sufficient, the type of double can be used to define the number. The double data type number used to 64 bits given the precision 14 digits. The known as double precision number. The extension the precision, we have the long integer 80 bits, 10 bytes, 80 bits. Okay. Void type. The void type is the no values. This is the usually used to specify the type of functions. The type of function is said to be void. It does not return any values of calling function. Okay, that is the return to the any calling function. Variables. Next topic is the variable. A variable is defined as meaningful name given to the data storage location in a computer memory. Suppose you are created to the one variable. The meaning means the data storage location computer memory using the variables. When using the variable actually refers to address of memory where the data is stored. C language is supported to basic kind of variables. Okay, numerical and characters and numerical variables. Numerical variable can be used stored either integer and floating point values. Integer values is the whole numbers without fractional part. Floating point values can be decimal points. Numerical variables may be associated with the modified such as the short, long, and signed and unsigned. Okay, unsigned means that is the positive values, signed means positive or negative values. The difference between the signed or unsigned numerical values, the signed variable can be either negative or positive, but unsigned is the only positive values. That is the can be only positive values. Character variable. Character variable can be include any letters, alphabets A, B, C, D, so on alphabets. That is the characters, and numbers 0 to 9. That given the single quotations. Character variable represents the single quotation. Single quotation A, single quotation close. Okay, B, the single quotations representation. Single quotation C, single quotation close. Numerical letters 1, 2, 3. 1, that is the single quotation 1, single quotation close, single quotation 2, single quotation close. In the C language, a number that given the single quotation not a same as the number without single quotations. This is become a 2 treated as integer value, but 2 is the considered to the character, not an integer. That is a clearly observed. Declare the variable. Each variable used in the program must be declared. To declare the variable, specify the data type of variable followed the name. The data type indicates the kind of data variable will be stored. The variable name should be always meaningful. Okay, you declare the variable. This is the totally depend upon the data type. The value is the stored to the particular location, particular memory location you are created to the address used to the variable. That is the meaning. Okay, the data type indicates the kind of data variable will be stored. Variable name and meaning. The C variable declares always end with the semicolon. Okay, first example, data type and variable name. After you completed to the semicolon, data type int emp underscore number semicolon. Emp number is the variable. We are created to the memory allocation. Okay, this is the variable declaration. Float salary. Salary is the variable stored. You are created to the memory location. Store the values is only floating values 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. Char grade semicolon. Grade means this is the variable. You are created to the memory location. Only stored character variable. Double balance same. The C variables declare the three basic places of the following. When the variable is declared inside the function is the nothing but local variable. Suppose the variable declaration you are created to the main function. Within main function is the nothing but local variable. Outside the main function is the nothing but global variable. That is the information. When the variable is declared inside the function, it is known as local variable. When the variable declared the outside all functions, it is known as global variable. When the variable declared the define of the function parameters is known as the formal parameters. Suppose int c semicolon. This is nothing but global declaration. F1 open parenthesis int x comma int y. This is the formal variables. Int a comma b semicolon local variable. Initialization of variables. The variables stored a particular value in this memory. This is used nothing but the initial variable. While declare the variable, we can also initialization them with the some value. Int em number is equal to 7. The 7 stored in the variable emp number. Float salary 7,000. 7,000 stored in salary. Grade A. Okay. Next one, double balance amount is 10,000. Okay, that is the constant is the fixed value cannot changing during the execution of the program. A variable can be modified but not constant. Okay, suppose the example of constant variable const constant keyword int a is equal to 10. Okay, the 10 is the stored in the variable. Integer variable stored to the a. Okay, int b is equal to 20. This is the normal variable declaration. Okay, second one constant variable declaration. Okay, what is the difference between the constant and normal variable declaration? Okay, apply the increment operator a plus plus and b plus plus. A plus plus means a is equal to a plus 1. One value increment. A is equal to a plus 1. 10 plus 1. This is the error. B is equal to b plus 1. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. Stored in b. Okay, difference. Constant and normal variable. It's not a changed. This is the fixed value cannot be changed during the execution of the program. This is the constant. Okay, next one. A is the constant with value 10. We can modify value a. It's forever 10. B is the variable with the initial value 20. We can modify the value b. Okay, it is the modify to 27. B is equal to b plus 7. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Type of constants. Constants in C program. integer type and floating point type and character type and string type. Okay, integer constant, it is the number without decimal point. It can positive and negative or zero. Special characteristics are not allowed to the integer values, integer constants. Suppose valid 752, this is the valid. Invalid 7 comma 52, it's not a invalid. Suppose invalid 1 comma 3 zeros is the not a invalid. Negative value is the valid. Minus 9257 is the valid. Minus 1 comma 00 comma 3 zeros is the not a valid. 0 is the valid. $75 is the not a valid. Floating point constants, it is the number with decimal point, only one decimal point is allowed within number. Valid and not valid. Only one decimal point is the valid, positive or negative. 75.5 is the valid, minus 75.5 is the valid, invalid. 10.2.9 is the invalid. Character constants, it is the single character enclosed with the single quotes. It's the can be alphabet digits. Okay, A single quotation, B C and Z, so on Z. Every character, single character enclosed within the single quotation. Okay, small ABC and numerical values all are constant, character constant. Characters are internally represent integer which ASCII values. American Standard Code for Information Interchange, there are the 256 ASCII values. Suppose capital A, ASCII code is the 65. Okay, total range is 0 to 255 ASCII codes. Totally there are 256 values. A is equal to 65, capital A is equal to 65, B is equal to 66, so on. C is equal to 67, D is equal to 68, so on. Z is equal to 90. But small a is equal to 97, B is equal to 98. Okay, this is the character internally represented to the integer which is the ASCII values. ASCII means American Standard Code Information Interchange. Only ASCII values is converted to the binary values. String constants, it is the collection of character terminated by null character represented the end of string. A string must be enclosed in double quotation. Rama, you write the double quotation 7852. This is the nothing but the group of characters and group of numerical values is the nothing but constant. Backslash character constants and escape. Okay, that is the backslash. This support some special backslash character constant used in the output function. For example, symbol /n standard new line character. This is the next line is the display. /n new line, end of the line. /t tab space advanced cursor by the 5 columns. /a alarm the audible alert and /b backspace move cursor to preceding column. /0 character end of the string. /r null character. Okay, that is the ASCII values. There is as ASCII values of each backspace character constant, and backspace is the used for escape sequences. Okay, this is the totally constant values. Okay, next one, variables. Next one, variables. The variables is the defined meaningful name given the data storage location in a computer memory. Okay, the variables numerical and character variables. When using the variable, we actually refers to address of memory where the data is stored, numerical and character. Numerical variable it can be used stored either integer values or floating point values, while an integer and a whole number without fraction of parts of floating point values can be decimal points. Okay, numerical variables may be associated with the modifiers such as the short and long and signed or unsigned. Okay, difference between the signed or unsigned. It is the signed values can be either negative or positive, but unsigned variable can be only positive. Character variable. Character variable can be included any letters, alphabets, A comma, B comma, C, so on, Z. All are characters and numerical characters 0 to 9. This is nothing but the numerical characters given the only single quotations. Okay, single quotation A, one single quotation and single quotation. Okay, that is the you write the information character variables single quotation A, single quotation close, single quotation B, single quotation close, and single quotation C, single quotation close. Single quotation 1 and single quotation close, single quotation 2, single quotation close. In the C, number that can be single quotation is the not a same as the number without single quotes. This is the because the two treated as integer value but two considered as the character not a integer. Okay, declare the variables. Each variable to be used program must be declared a variable, specify the data type of the variable followed by name, and data variable the followed by the name. The data type indicates the kind of data variable will be stored. The variable name should be always be meaningful. Suppose the declare the variable data type variables after completed to the semicolon. Okay, the data type is int, emp number semicolon, float salary semicolon, char grade semicolon, double balance amount semicolon. C variable declare the three basic places in the follows. When variable is declared inside the function in local variable. Suppose you declare the main function, within main function you declare the variable int emp semicolon is the nothing but you write the within main function is the nothing but local variable. Float salary outside the function you write the is the nothing but global variable. Within main function is the nothing but local variable. Outside main function you declare the variable is the nothing but global variable. When the variable is declared the definition, the function parameter is known as the formal parameters. Global variable f1 open parenthesis int x int y, the formal variables curly bracket open int a comma b, local variables. Initial the variable. While declare the variable, we can also initialization them with some values. Int emp number is equal to 7 semicolon. Float salary 7,000 stored in the variable salary. Char grade is equal to a single quotation. The A is stored in grade. Okay, that is the variable representation. Next one, this is the data types. Suppose you write the characters, you are using single word is the char. Char is the data type. Integer values you write in programming languages you are used in data type is int. Char, the size is 1, integer size is 2. The floating values you are using keyword is float. The size is 4. Double, the keyword used to the double. The size is 8. Valueless, the word is 0. Okay, that is the data types. The data types is divided to the 3 types: primitive data types and derived data types and user defined data types. Primitive data types is the char, int, float, double and void. Derived data types arrays, pointer, functions and user defined data types enum, structure and union. Okay, this is the totally the data types is the integer data types, character data types and floating points and double and void. This is the totally basic data types. Okay, the keywords is the must thing. The classified either keywords or identifier. All keywords are fixed meaning and this meaning cannot be changed. Keywords serve basic building blocks of the programming statements. All keywords must be written lower cases. This is the list of all keywords in C below. Suppose you write the C programming and small program, hash includes stadio.h, the main function, curly bracket open. You write the init statement, the output statement used printf, open parenthesis, double quotation, welcome to world of C, double quotation close, closed parenthesis, semicolon. Okay, that is the print message. Return 0, this is the return value to the operating system, curly bracket close. The output is welcome to world of C. The printf statement, you write the any information, display the output. Thank you.